Hello, we're about to do homework 6, question 15. So the question goes like this: the integral of cosine cubed of 5x times sine to negative 2 of 5x dx. Sorry. So the first step here is do a u substitution, and we're going to say u is equal to 5x. Du then is equal to 5, and you'll get 1/5 over cosine cubed of u sine to the negative 2 of u du. And once we got to this step, there's a certain trig identity we're going to use, and it's with this cosine cubed. And we can say here that cosine cubed of u is equal to cosine of u times cosine square of u, correct? And this is the same thing. And now we use the trig identity here. So cosine cubed of u is equal to cosine of u times 1 minus sine squared of u. Because sine squared of u plus cosine squared of u is equal to 1. So now we're going to replace the cosine cubed of u with this identity. So we got 1/5 the integral of sine to negative 2 u, move that here, times 1 minus sine squared of u cosine of u. But instead of using du, it would be d sine of u. So du now equal d sine of u. From this step on, we're going to use the other substitution. We're going to say w is equal to sine of u, and dw is equal to cosine of u. And what you end up getting is 1/5 w to negative 2 times 1 minus w squared dw. And after multiplying this out, you have 1/5 times the integral 1 over w squared du minus the integral 1 dw. Because once we multiply this and this, it's u cubed, w squared over w squared, which is equal to 1. And once you take derivatives of both, we'll end up getting negative 1 over 5w minus w over 5 plus c. And once we substitute back our values, you end up getting negative 1 over 5 sine of 5x minus sine of 5x over 5 plus c as the answer. And this is the final answer to homework 6, question 15.